Hey guys, John at Fix-A-Fence. Thought I'd come inside today. Well, because it's raining outside. and I know about you, but it's Saturday and I really don't want to get wet. But one of the things that it is doing is it's soaking those fence posts so they can start rotting. And when the wind comes along, bam, it's going to blow the fences down. Well, that's what happens, all right? Especially more nowadays than not because of what they're doing. They're not letting the postseason between the mill and the pressure treating plant. Anyway, watch some of the other videos I got. Leave your comments below. But what I did want to do today is come to you and let you know how to build a little bit of a clientele base, client base. And one of the things I've done to help build my client base, right, is to give you away these little freebies, like these pens here. You can go to National Pens and get yourself an account. Little simple things like this. People are going to hold it in their hand, I mean, think about it. Where does a business card go, right? A business card probably goes in their wallet, trash, but the pen gets in their hand, man. Same thing with the coffee mug. It gets in their hand, I mean, look at this one here. I started out, these are like all faded because they've been through wash. But I'm telling you what, that coffee feels good and it's in your hand and it's right here, you know what I mean? But anyway, another thing is magnets. Are on the refrigerator. My goodness, pretty simple. Little things like this go a long way in the customer's eye. They're saying, wow, this guy's thinking about me. And I'll tell you what, one thing about that is it's tax deductible. Think about that. It's called advertising. The more you put out there, well, tax dollars. You get to deduct it from the end of the year. Yeah, it costs money, but you know what? The smiles on customers' faces are priceless compared to the dollars we spend on advertising. Okay, think about that for a second. Check this out. Look at these little calendars here. Okay, same thing, National Pens. Last year's calendar, I got these. I've been giving calendars away ever since I started. Actually, when I first started, I'd give away $3 coffee gift cards to a coffee place right down in the community until they went out, and then my customer base started building up, and I'm like, whoa, whoa, whoa. But anyway, here, I'm telling you, man, these are about $1.25 a piece, I think, something like that. And anyway, this was last year's. Okay, but look at that, how small it is, right? How small it is, but you look at the huge advertisement there. People love it. I send it to them. I send to every paid customer one of these. Okay, check this out. This is last year's, and I switched it up. This is this year's, baby. Yeah, I put the logo on there. I had them put the logo on there, so now they got the logo. Anyway, so yeah, I just wanted to come to you today to show you, hey, man, this is a nice way to put smiles on the customers' faces, and to get something in the mail and they're happy. You know what? Yeah, it costs money, but you know what? They're the ones putting money in your pocket. Think about that. Anyway, all right, John, Fix-A-Fence. Like I said, I just wanted to come to you today to show you what I do to help build my clientele. And I'm telling you, hey, well, look at this here. Actions speak louder than words. This is 4 years in a row, Bubba. 4 years in a row. Okay? Just doing the little things that I do. So, like it says here, rise up and shine from the ashes of grace. And, yeah, rise up and shine from the ashes of grace. And that's what I've done. I started this fence company with nothing back in 2009, a truck and a couple of tools. And, I was waiting for the phone to ring. But now, sometimes it just don't stop. Being 17 to 19 weeks out with work, and it's all the little stuff that the big guys don't want. So there is a niche in fence repair. There's a gold mine here. But anyway, you got to persevere and push through because there's good times and there's bad times. Sometimes a fence, I tell you, I've had to turn a lot of fences down because those one kind of fence, the customers or the homeowners built it and then they take it in for repair. And it's like, I don't know where to start. And I wouldn't know how to answer the questions if my crew had questions for me. I wouldn't know how to answer them. And so why would I want to put myself in that? Okay, so I don't. I don't. I do the stuff that I know how to do, and my crew knows how to do, and I work hard at not making it worse than what it needs to be. Okay, if I can't do it, why would I want to put them through it? Okay, if I can't do it, why would I want to put them through it? Anyway, I'm getting a little off track here. Fix-A-Fence LLC, John here. Just hey, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do. And I thank you all for they've been watching these videos. This is content. I'm just doing my best to bring fresh content to the channel, and it's not an easy thing to do. Building fences. I mean, come on. Anyway, guys, yeah, I thank you for watching. And this is what helps me grow this little fence channel called Fix-A-Fence LLC. Again, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. And if you haven't subscribed, subscribe. But anyway, this is what the gurus tell me to do, right? Have a little map mapped out here, and do that and do this and do that. And you're going to go viral. And that hasn't happened yet. One of these days it will. Wouldn't that be nice? 1 million views. Think about that. 1 million views for one video, 1 million views at 3 cents a view. Dude, 30 grand in your bank account. Well, anyway, that's what I'm striving for. Maybe one of these days, who knows? Anyway, why not, right? I could do all things with 30 grand, couldn't you? Leave your comments below. Tell me what you would do with $30,000 if you were to get one video to go viral. Let me know. I know what I would do. I would take my crew out to a nice dinner or something like that, and of course I'd probably buy another truck too. All right. You guys have a great day. Keep smiling. Thank you.